Hello, welcome back. You are watching the final video of a series of short videos about the variable adjustment and assembly of SCHWEIZER Galilean systems to suit multiple purposes. For more in-depth knowledge, I recommend the training portal of the optical knowledge platform www.optic-academy.com. As already mentioned at the end of the previous video, SCHWEIZER Galilean systems are modular systems. All powers feature the same lock rings. And the same size of objective lens aperture. The advantage is when patients require higher magnification after having used a system for a certain period of time, the current lower power system can easily be replaced by a higher power system. Eye care professionals who can etch spectacle lenses and mount them into a frame can easily assemble telescopic spectacles with SCHWEIZER Galilean systems. In addition to the frame and the system, only a few mounting parts, such as the appropriate mounting lenses, washers, or an adapter for a corrective lens are needed. Even if you don't have your own etching facilities, it is important to have a box with mounting parts in your practice so that a system already mounted onto spectacles can quickly be changed. It is easy to assemble telescopic spectacles. You will need, of course, a suitable telescope frame. Appropriate mounting lenses are available to mount the system into the telescope frame. These mounting lenses are supplied with a pre-drilled hole that takes standard systems. To etch these mounting lenses, the appropriate adapter is pressed into the opening of the mounting lens. The mounting lens can now be centered in the centering system and etched in the machine. The mounting lenses are made of plastic, or rather CR39. This means they can be etched to the proper shape like any other spectacle lens. This lens is then mounted in the telescope frame. The system can now be inserted from the front into the lens and secured. Washers are available in different thicknesses to position the system accurately in the frame. These washers can be slid over the system thread to move the system forwards or backwards in the frame. The system is secured with a lock ring that fits on the system thread. The lock ring is screwed onto the thread and fixed with a mounting tool.
The system is pushed through the hole of the mounting lens. The lock ring is screwed onto the system thread like this. This is the mounting tool. It is used to tighten the lock ring.
The system is now mounted securely. The necessary corrective lens with the distance correction and, if necessary, a plus power to compensate for a shorter viewing distance is mounted onto the system using an aluminum adapter. The rim inside the adapter is lined with sticky tape. All that needs to be done is to remove the protective foil, place the corrective lens onto the inside rim of that adapter and press the lens down firmly. Now the corrective lens also sits securely in place. The front cap simply click onto the front of the system. This is all it takes to assemble a telescopic system. Not difficult at all. When fitting a monocular telescopic system, it is necessary to occlude the other eye. The easiest way is to use self-adhesive occlusion foil that can simply be stuck to the mounting lens and trimmed as necessary. There are different ways to occlude the lens. It can be occluded completely, that is to say fully, or there can just be occluded parts of the lens to leave other areas transparent. Patients can first look around the occluded area, which provides orientation within reaching distance so that they can, say, pick up documents that they want to read. When handing the telescopic spectacles over to patients, it is important to also give them an appropriate case for storage, which has been specifically designed for telescopic systems. It should offer ample space to accommodate the system and have side compartments to store the front caps. It needs to protect the telescopic spectacles from scratches and damage. Thank you very much for your interest. I hope this series of 5 short videos was helpful. Goodbye.